Alright, so this is going to be a little bit of a different video. I thought I would try out something a little bit less formal, maybe have some fun on this channel. So today we're going to check out some of the biggest gurus on TikTok. So all I did is type in Forex or trading or stocks, and these are the guys that came up. So we're going to do some guru review on them. We're going to see what they have to say about trading and see if maybe they can teach us a thing or two about trading. Who knows, maybe we will find the best trading strategy here on TikTok. The video is 100% going to be demonetized, so all I ask in return for you guys is a quick like and subscribe, and if you enjoy this type of content, let me know in the comments down below. Alright, so let's get started. So our first trader is going to be this guy, Thomas Kralow. So he made this video saying the day of a life in any stock trader. So let's just take a look at it.
Life of any stock trader. Get up. Turn on my trading station and make some money. Get in a
Okay, he made $4,000.
Lamborghini. Drive to a really nice beach club. Have some fantastic lunch.
Got lunch on the beach or a lake.
Do some wakeboarding. And then buy some Louis Vuitton and shop for some nice watches.
And a nice watch. So this is his daily routine, guys. Apparently you buy Louis Vuitton and nice watches in your daily life as a stock trader and Forex trader. But who knows, maybe he is the best trader on the planet and has enough money for that stuff.
Finally,
so
polish it all with some mild street racing. And finally, polish it all.
It's pretty obvious he's probably trying to sell you something, or at least make you feel bad about yourself at the very least. So let's take a look at his profile here. And okay, so he has a website. He calls himself a millionaire trader, self-proclaimed millionaire trader. And he's everyone's favorite teacher. Favorite spelt the British way. So let's go to his website here and see what we got. So we got a special offer just for us guys, 30% off. And here is a short film about himself. So basically this video, I've already watched it. He just says that he travels the world trading and that it's addicting and makes it seem very flashy. Basically at the end of it, he will teach you how to become like him for the low price of $86 for the basic standard program. But oh, if you want the complete standard program, you need to pay up, baby. You need that $685 payment. Okay, I mean, that's literally all I could find on this guy. It's pretty obvious that he's just trying to sell you something. He's not really providing any sort of teaching on TikTok or YouTube or anything. It just seems like he's trying to either really hurt your ego or sell you this $685 course, or maybe the $86 basic course if you just want to learn the basics for $86. Now let me tell you, the next guy that we're going to look at is the Holy Trinity, and you're going to see what I mean here in a second. So let's just take a look at our next guy. This is Real Rafael Vargas. So Mr. Vargas here, you see he's in that flashy Aventador Roadster, $350 car, 2018, fresh off the lot.
Hey bro, what do you do for a living?
What's up, bro?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a serial entrepreneur.
What's that? You got like businesses?
Yeah, bro. I flipped over 1,000 real.
His mouth. Why does he have his mouth open?
Estate deals in my career. I took my real estate money. I invested over 250 different e-commerce stores. I also invested a lot.
So far he's flipped. He said the word flip. Now pay attention to that word, flipped. 1,000 real estate deals. And of course, he put it all into 250 e-commerce stores. So not only does he do real estate, he does e-commerce.
A lot, and I run a multi-million-dollar Forex hedge fund.
And
wow, that's amazing.
He runs a multi-million-dollar Forex hedge fund. Now, I've never heard of a hedge fund for Forex specifically. So I have no idea why he's saying a Forex hedge fund. I highly doubt he's running a Forex hedge fund. First of all, you need to be licensed for that. Second of all, a hedge fund usually works in either futures or stocks. Back in the 80s or 90s, they used to trade a lot of Forex. Not so much today. You probably can't find many that will trade Forex. And even though they're around, I have a feeling that he's just saying that just to sound more professional. most people are not going to run a Forex hedge fund. It doesn't really make much sense.
Yeah, bro, I come from nothing, man, and I teach people how to do the exact same thing.
Oh,
Check
there
my
he
website.
goes. There he goes, plugging it in. Realmastery.vip.
Realmastery.vip, bro.
Batman, we'll do. Nice car.
So what's funny about this is that he's the one that posted this. So he had this guy go up to him and film him
Hey, bro, what do you do for a living?
and ask him what he does for a living. That's kind of embarrassing if you ask me. I mean, he literally told the guy, "Hey, can you come film me? I'll tell about myself." Like he's talking to him as if he's not literally talking to his own phone camera that he's going to post on his own TikTok. So I clicked on his website. This is his mentoring, of course, and here's what I found that was pretty funny. This right here, Forex trading. So this, if you don't know, is a screenshot of MyFX book. It's a website that tracks your performance. I don't really like it. It can be easily manipulated if you know some basic, programming. But this is what's so funny is that he only shows less than a month's worth of data of history, right? So he shows less than a month's worth of trading history, and apparently that's all you need. Apparently that's the proof right there. He traded for less than a month, and now you should pay him money to learn. So I also checked out his YouTube channel here. And basically, I've already watched enough of it. And basically, he goes on to say that not only is it real estate that he's flipping, he's not just doing real estate, guys. He's wholesaling it. So it really is the holy trinity here of gurus. He's wholesaling real estate. He's an e-commerce guru and a Forex guru. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. This guy is a god. So basically what he says in this video is that the fastest way to build your wealth is to not even flip houses, just do wholesaling, which one is so hard. I've tried it before, way back in the day I tried it, before it was even that saturated. Basically what you're doing is you're writing up you find a good house that's below market value, you take that house and you get it under contract, you get the seller to agree to buy it at X price, and then you go and you sell that contract to someone else for a fee, like $5,000, and then that guy buys the contract from you so that guy can buy that house, and then he flips that house and still makes money because you found it at such a good price. That's the key. You have to find these houses at such an unbelievable price. It's just almost impossible to make it feasible without the work you have to put in outweighs the reward, unless you have some secret sauce that I'm not aware of. So he basically says wholesale houses, start an e-commerce store, and then invest the profits into Forex. It's like each one of these industries take hours and hours, and no, not even hours, years and years to learn. Yet he is saying that it's just like that, pretty easy to just just make your money and invest it into foreign exchange, and boom, you're a millionaire. That's definitely how he makes it come off. Oh, and if you guys want to FaceTime him, you get a 10-minute FaceTime session for the low price of $250 from a reduced price of $833. Let's go ahead and calculate this hourly rate actually. So we're going to do what is that? $25 a minute. So what is this? This is $25 a minute times 60. That is $1,500 an hour. That is what he values his time at, apparently. So our next trader is personally one of my favorites. Let's just get into the videos and I'll explain. So here he is commenting or responding to one of these guys' comments. Let's listen.
You're about to make a lot of money, bro. First, go to trading.
You better make a lot of money, bro. You want to make money? Get in Forex trading, bro.
U.com. Step 2, find a currency pair. Right now I'm on USD CAD. So this is an impulse
Good so far,
retracement.
Except
impulse
for this. All
retracement.
right.
Impulse
So he marked out higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. What is this? What is that last high? That is not the right high. This point is supposed to be up here. Okay. And if you're a beginner to trader, you may think that this is not a big deal, but this is literally the basics. If you can't identify the right high and low points, which I'll show you. Okay, look at how he has this drawn out. What is this? This is not right. This is so bad. This is so wrong. That high right there is just completely irrelevant. This point should be right up here. That is clearly the highest point before dropping. But look at what he does. He takes that high and he just cuts right through. He just cuts right through, completely ignores that high right there. I mean, if you don't know this, this is literally step 1 to starting Forex trading. And he's gotten it wrong.
The strategy that I use to trade is simply trying to predict these retracements. There's a few things that can help us with that.
So here's his level of resistance.
See that blue line?
Which is a
That's
line.
a key level.
So he says this is a key level. This is a level of resistance, and it literally just seems to be a line that is just placed across half the screen. Lines, you aren't supposed to use lines. You're supposed to use more so levels, zones, because lines don't usually work out. If you try to trade a line, the market is not that accurate. It will go into that line and it'll blow right through it before turning around. Don't ever use a line.
That level, it has trouble breaking through. The last puzzle piece is the fib retracement tool. Place the fib at the bottom of the impulse, bring it up to the top, drag.
Okay, that's supposed to be lower. That fib retracement is supposed to be lower. Not sure what happened there.
Drag it into the future, and it will show you where it's going to come down to. Open your position there, close it there, and
here's my favorite part.
Boom, you made some money. Show us.
Boom, you made some money.
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 Boom,
boom,
boom.
One strategy that I use to trade is simply trying to predict these.
So he's saying you have to predict the retracements, meaning you're trying to short and predict when it's going to drop down when it's in an uptrend. I mean, he clearly made an uptrend. That is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So basically he's saying you got to predict when you're going to get that retracement within the uptrend, which is so much harder than just buying the retracements. It's called counter trend trading. He's just completely trading against the trend. He's trying to short when it's going higher. I mean, there is no good reason for doing it. Yet he says that's one of his favorite strategies, and boom, it'll make you money like that. All right, so let's move on to the next video.
Asking what my main source of income is. So here it is.
His main source of income, up your phone. Main source of income, guys. Guess what? It's Forex. All right, so my camera died there. Not sure, or actually it didn't die. I just stopped recording. So let's just continue where I left off, which is just a few seconds after that last scene that you saw. So here we can see he's trading gold. Now what's interesting about this is that when you look at his buy positions, you can see that all of them are almost at the same price. That's $14.93, $14.93, then we got $14.97, $14.94, $14.92, $14.93, $14.94. You get the point. Basically, he's putting all these all these trades are in the right around the same spot. And you can see that he's getting out pretty quickly as well. And usually people do this just to make it look like they're making more money than they actually are, because when you put all these trades in the same level, or right around the same area, it makes it look like you have multiple trades open and you're winning multiple trades. In reality, you're just kind of putting, you know, all your positions in one spot, and but it looks like you're taking, you know, multiple trades and you're winning multiple trades, but in actuality, you're just basically taking one. So why would he do this? Well, just my opinion, to make it look like he's making a lot of money so he can sell you on a course.
I'm going to show you how teenagers are making
how teens are getting wealthy. Now, let me refresh here, because that was pretty interesting.
Open up an account on. What's up, guys?
So let's see here. Let's pause right there. $95,000. And there's the stack of cash that you could possibly have if you were trading Forex just for the low price of $1,000.
So about 4 hours later.
Okay, pause. There we go, guys. So here's his account balance again. This was posted in June. Look at that account balance. That is $100,000. Okay, pretty much $100,000 flat. Now, if you don't know, if you use MetaTrader and you open a demo account, the first balance you get is a flat $100,000. Is it a coincidence? Maybe. But if you notice the two videos that he shows his account balance, they're awfully close to that demo starting position of $100,000, meaning he is probably using a demo account to show you money so that you buy his course. And so you can see the equity is $102,000. He's up about $2,000, $2,600. So that is why the equity is at 102. But this is his account balance before this trade is factored in, and it's only $100,000, which is the demo starting balance. So that's Matt Lorian, and he's a 17-year-old Forex trader. Started when he was 16. Who knew, guys, that it was so easy that you can start at 16, and by the time you're 17, you are making thousands of dollars a day. And if you just add up how much he says he makes per day and he shows on his trades, he shouldn't be at $100,000. And then what people will always say is like, oh, well, I only keep $100,000 in my account, so I can withdraw my profits. I just keep it at $100,000, I grow it up to $150,000, and then I withdraw my profits. It's like, no. If you are a professional trader, you don't want to take out your profits because you want to compound them, baby. You don't want to withdraw your profits like that. You at least want to keep some of your profits in there so that you can make more money on there, because the more money you make, the more money you have, the more money you can make. So here he is at 16. We got baby Matt, and he was learning from millionaires. Almost can guarantee that was iMarkets Live, IML. What's funny about this post, though, is that this account right here, One Life's Apparel, is his own account. And you can see the top comment here is, it's always his accounts asking himself questions. Look at what he's saying. You're 17, bro. Where did you learn how to make money? He's asking himself this question. I mean, you got to ask yourself. And look in the background. Look in the background. This is literally the clothing brand. Okay, that's the clothing brand right there. They have, like, you know, these half cut shirts or jackets, and you can see it's right there. It's not really like he's trying to hide it. And he's asking himself these questions to make content, to pretty much toot his own horn and make himself look like some sort of trading savant, which he is probably, allegedly, my opinion, not. So let's go to his profile here, and let's click on this bad boy. And there it is. We got Entrepreneur Academy, 8 high income skills. There he is. I mean, I hate to rip on someone that's so young, but he is, in my opinion, just my opinion, very clearly lying, very clearly just marketing. All of his videos are just marketing. So there we go. There we go. Reduced price from $17 for $97. He will teach you how to trade. So that is the end of this video. Hopefully that was fun for you guys. It was pretty fun for me reacting to these guys. I love reacting to these types of people. And you may be thinking to yourself, Trader Talks, why are you making fun of people that sell courses when you sell a course? Well, I am done selling courses. I haven't made it official yet, but I am not going to be a part of this anymore. I just hate the culture that's around it. I hate, even though, you know, I can help some people, and some people really love it. Most people are not going to make it in Forex, and I don't want to be charging anyone, knowing that most of them are not going to make it, even with help. It's just not ethical to me. I hate the environment. I hate people like this, that they just make it so just toxic, so unbearable, that I'm not going to do it anymore. We're going to change the content that's going to be on this channel. It's going to be mostly just free education. It's going to be not just Forex. I think the Forex industry is getting a little too toxic as well. It's going to be just trading in general, trading stocks, Forex, even sometimes futures. We're going to have interviews. We're going to have educational videos, podcasts, and we're also going to be looking at a lot of these gurus and studying what they do. So yeah, expect a video on that later. This is not an official announcement. I'm going to make a video on that because I got to have that content. But we are not going to be selling any courses. That is going to be closed down forever. It's not closed yet, but once it is, it's going to be gone forever. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another post. Let me know what you thought about this kind of video in the comments down below. If you hated it, just tell me. I'm not going to be offended. I'll just never make another video like this again. It is a little weird. This is me being a little less formal. So yeah, let me know.